green flag, then we press the space bar. So they both speak, and then they should go alternate as they count between them up to 10. So for Scratch programming, task 6, on the booklet you want to be on this page, and it says there, open the file 06 sequence counting. So go into lesson 4 and open up that file, which will also open up Scratch for us. So the first thing that we need to do then is build this program on the odd cat sprite. So make sure that we're definitely between the two, look on the odd cat, and then we want to build that one. So we're going to say when the space key is pressed, so we need to remember that we've told it only when the space key. We're going into looks, and we're going to use the say hello for 2 seconds, and we're going to change that then to I'm going to count in odd numbers, and it will say that for 2 seconds. We're then going to broadcast, because we're going to broadcast so that the other cat can be synchronized with this one. So we go to our broadcast, we click there won't be anything there, so we change, go from new, and we create a broadcast called now. Then we are going to use our say command again. This time it's just going to be 1 second, and we're just going to get it to say the number 1. Then we are going to wait for 1 second. Now what we can do is right click and duplicate those, and then this one will be saying 3 because it's the odd cat, it counts in odd numbers, and we wait for 1 second again. What you need to do now, just get those instructions back. Number 4 here, add to the program so the odd cat counts up to 9. So you continue this program until the cat gets to 9, and then you can test that by clicking on the green flag, and then don't forget to press the space bar. Okay. So pause the video, get up to that stage, and then continue with task 4 and task 5, and then come back once you've done that. So our next one then is to click on the even cat. So this cat is going to count the even numbers. So we want, again, when the space key is pressed, and we're going to go from our looks, we're going to use a say, and on this one I'm going to count in even numbers, so it tells us that. Now what we're going to do for our next one though, we're going to wait until it receives now. So the odd cat will say what it's going to say, then it broadcasts now, and then immediately it says the number 1. So over here on the even cat, okay, it will receive this one. So what we need this one to do then, a little bit like the odd cat, it's going to say and it's going to wait for a second, and your job is to make sure that these are synchronized. So I'll show you a completed example in a minute with that one. So this is what our completed program should look like. We click the green flag, then we press the space bar. So they both speak, and then they should go alternate as they count between them up to 10.